Welcome to Hot Yoga Naperville. My name's Conrad, and I just wanted to let everyone know about our new internship program that's being developed here. We're offering basically a chance for people to come in and donate some time and help us out with a few things that we need. And then doing that, we're gonna have some on-the-job training on how to run a yoga class, basically. So you're gonna be in charge of facilitating a certain group of people and helping with our check-in. And through this process, we're going to help you learn more of the moves that we're doing in our classes. A lot of this is going to be focused on some of the Bikram stuff, some of the Bikram, some of the Yin. You'll get exposed to a few different varieties of the yoga class. And then we're going to work with you and show you some of the best ways to help the other students. So a lot of this is kind of and explaining certain things to people. And just being part of our community and helping out. And in doing this, we're going to get you guys a free yoga membership, free towel and mat rentals as part of that. So we'd love to have you join part of our team. If you can, sign up under our web registration form under the internship. We'll get some information about you, and then hopefully we can meet you and set something up. I ran a similar internship in Honolulu for the past few years, and we developed a few teachers this way. Kind of depends what you guys are looking for, so really want to find out how we can help you the most. And in doing that, you might just want to be held accountable to take your yoga practice every week. It's basically a 1-week commitment just for a few hours. And part of it's going to be in there doing the class with the students. So you're going to be getting your yoga class in, you're going to be meeting and greeting people, doing a little bit of sales, that kind of thing as well. So we've had a great response. Some people just liked being on that regular schedule. A few people wanted to teach more of these classes, and then we turned that internship into a paid internship. So at first it's just kind of a work trade situation, and from there, if you like it and you want to do some more, we can get you paid. So we had a few people that went on to become teachers from this. They did the internship, they learned more and more, and they either were trained through us completely, or they joined another small training to complement some other things that they wanted to learn. So we've had a variety of different people, and we hope we get you guys involved too.